The overall goal of these dipstick assays, combining a fluorescent viscosity probe and a smartphone readout, is to detect diesel adulteration with kerosene and to detect such frauds and avoid economical damage. This method can help users in resource-limited countries to carry out rapid tests according to the WHO assured demands.
The main advantage of this technique is that it gives a qualitative measurement result in less than 1 minute and can be performed by untrained personnel without specific equipment requirement.
Though the method provides a new tool for the detection of fuel adulteration, it can also be used for other on-site measurement applications, like for instance explosive detection or water analysis.
Prepare 1 millimolar solutions of the reference dye and dyes 4-DNS, 4-DNSOH, and 4-DNS-COOH in toluene as described in the text protocol. Cut cellulose strips of 30 by 5 millimeters from filter paper. Place approximately 50 of those strips in a sealable 5 milliliter vial together with 4.5 milliliters of the desired dye solution. Shake the strips inside the vial with a vertical rotator for 20 minutes at 30 RPM. Then, pour the toluene solution out of the vial. Immediately fill with 4 milliliters of cyclohexane and rotate for 1 minute at 30 RPM to wash off excess dyes. Repeat this washing operation 3 times. Following wash, dry the obtained test strips on a filter paper for 10 minutes at room temperature before